this is all about your vitality. Yung ikaw, physically, emotionally. I feel that you will find opportunity na mapaglaanan ng oras ang sarili. Or maybe, this is a sign for you, Capricorn, to recharge your energy. The Four of Swords, meron dito tayo nakikitang nag-a-appear na pagkapagod. Kahit pa sa mga panahon na nag-iinit ang inyong buhay, pamilya, kapareha, trabaho, Wheel of Fortune, meron good luck. Tutulungan lang syempre pa, at the end of the day, kayo itong higit na makapagsasabi, katawan nyo yan. Okay? Physically, mentally, meron naman tayong nakikitang improvement. Good luck pa nga. But at the same time, sabi ko nga, maaaring itong oportunidad na ito, hindi para sa lahat ay kusang aangat. So you have to build up that opportunity for yourself. So listen guys, always listen